He's called me second best
Second
singer. Now
best
you'll know ना how much कितना सच बोलता है ये आदमी और कितना झूठ
Exactly.
बोलता है.
So what was that, one thing which you liked about Zahir on the sets of the song?
I think he's very dedicated. Like he knew he wanted to look a certain way while we were shooting the song, and he achieved that in every way possible. And in fact, जिस दिन हम shoot कर भी रहे थे, he was constantly at it, working on his physique and on his body, and he was very, very serious about it. So yeah, I think he's a very, very dedicated and hardworking person.
What is that one
And a
thing
nice
you like
guy,
about
so it was fun working with on set.
That
Like,
they know
I'm a
now.
nice guy. Yeah, he ensures that every time you
Yeah.
meet him, he'll ensure that I'm a nice guy.
Yeah.
I'm a nice guy.
I know it. Do you?
Everybody knows
Better know it.
by now because you only tell them.
I'm a self-proclaimed good person.
No, you are a good person.
You're a
Thank
good
you.
person.
Yeah.
But what would you compliment her about? When you met her, started working. You know her.
I'm a
and
great
as
person.
friends.
She's she's a fantastic person, and I've generally learned a lot from her. I'm very serious about it. Watch how uncomfortable make her.
Please, yeah.
Watch-
Then-
I want to
The
see
thing is, I've
They
actually
bo-
learned so much from her, and she's such a wonderful person, and she is talented to the max. She's the best dancer. She's the best singer. She's the best singer. मतलब second best.
Hell, excuse me.
Singer, second best.
I don't mind. I don't mind if you don't
Second
get
best.
singer
She's
in
the
that.
second best singer.
Okay.
She is beautiful, but that everyone can see. And
He's called me second best
Second
singer. Now
best
you'll know ना how much कितना सच बोलता है ये आदमी और कितना झूठ
exactly
बोलता है.
because
Who's the first person?
Assis.
Come on.
Right? No. I purposely want to know his reaction on that.
Yeah, but Sona ऐसा.
But he's a good guy.
But Sona, she's the second best singer. But वो 6-8 दिन रियाज कर
रियाज कर
लेगी.
लेगी.
तो then she'll be at par with Assis.
ओए होए
And then they
होए
both can
होए
share
होए
that.
That's a
होए
very
होए
big
होए.
compliment. I must
Yeah.
say that.
This brain.
That is
That's
कुछ भी.
I'm trying to say something. Guys.
What is that one thing you get irritated with?
This. This.
He tries to.
And I know it. That's why I like to do it extra.
But you
Yeah.
can hire him as your personal PR. You never know. The way he's hyping up. Literally.
No, if you tell him to do a job, he will never do it. If you tell him don't do this, he will do it.
Yeah, they told me body money मत बना.
The opposite.
बनाऊंगा. No, but I genuinely I've learned so much from Sona, and it was fantastic working with her on set. It's the first time we've done a film together, but we've for the first time I think danced our heart out like this, and just seeing her change her dance step by using her face is something that I'm still trying, and I think I want to achieve one day. It'll take me a few years, but one day I'll achieve the Sonakshi Sinha way of dancing where you can give her any step and just change it by one. Camera
What
देख
is,
के
what is that one thing which irritates you about Sonakshi? Like, I know, she's already.
Very.
One thing about Sona that irritates me.
She's.
I genuinely get irritated with the fact that she's so good at everything that she does.
Very smart.
It irritates.
Very smart.
मुझसे बर्दाश्त ही नहीं होता कि एक इंसान. So there was one thing, she would always business and all. I don't know, like I don't understand business and all. I don't know. And then वो भी कर लिया उसने. और now she becomes this boss lady entrepreneur who's just killing it.
Yeah, that's true.
So
Yeah,
I'm like यार कुछ तो दूसरों के लिए छोड़ दो. सब पूरी दुनिया सेकंड बेस्ट
You're
रह
giving
गई.
a lot of tips. But would you also prefer like starting some kind of business like her? Because that's quite good. Not only acting but also business.
Thinking, should I do business?
Woman, yeah.
मैं करूँ क्या business?
I think you should.
हाँ.
I think you should.
No,
Partnership.
I do some businesses. I like, and then I call her for
He's
tips and
a
all.
businessman at heart.
But also, while doing this song, you felt like the Chaya Chaya vibes because of
Oh yeah,
you
and the
said
truck.
The truck.
Why you mentioned Chaya Chaya?
Huh?
Why you mentioned Chaya Chaya?
Because she actually said somewhere that she actually felt the Chaya
Oh,
Chaya
because the
vibes.
truck thing.
The truck
Truck
thing,
thing,
yeah.
yeah.
You in a moving truck,
No,
you're dancing.
because it's our favorite
And
song to
that-
dance at
Yeah.
birthdays and weddings and all.
Yeah.
So I was like, how did you know?
It's too much fun. But yeah, it was really cool
You're watching
actually.
a lot of Netflix. I feel like that. Yeah, he's getting all that vibe from it now.
No, it was really cool. It was a lot of fun. We were in like a truck and like it was literally a party recreated inside the back of a truck,
Yeah.
and with all the disco ball and like lots of lighting and like all the girls that were dancing with us. So बहुत ही cool vibe था. And obviously if the truck was moving, so then we were feeling like wow, chaya chaya.